MODELMIND72 coming at you once again on your computer screen. AMT 1936 Ford Coupe Roadster, built it one of three ways: stock, custom, or drag. This is the Trophy Series Classic 125 scale top quality customizing kit for the model enthusiast. This is going to be the unboxing. Please join me here on this beautiful, beautiful day. The birds are singing in the background. Please take note. And we're going to explore this kit. As we delve into this kit, I want everybody to understand you can build this kit. This is a classic AMT. Special custom features include custom chop top. For you guys that are not ready to chop your own tops, this top comes chopped, pre-chopped. You got your custom wheel covers. So many parts in this kit, guys. So many custom parts in here. It even comes with a trophy. Now, I've already busted open this kit for a subscriber because he asked me a question, particularly about the chop top. He wanted to know if this one came with it, and I opened it up, and yes, it does. I snagged a couple of pieces out of it already, but we are going to go through it. Anything that I don't put in there, I'll note it in audio just to let you know. But it does come. You can go with the stock flathead V8, or you can go with the beautiful Pontiac 389. What a beautiful engine, V8 engine. Okay. So one reason I'm opening this box is because I plan on tearing into this box and grabbing a lot of parts out of it, putting them in other builds that are going on. So here we have your fenders, basically your cockpit. And there again, guys, this one does have the rumble seat feature in it. If you wanted to do the rumble seat. I mean, the beautiful thing about this kit, guys, is you can go so many ways. You can go fenders, full show, queen, trailer queen, or you can go, fenderless. You can go hot ride. You could go high boy, low boy. You could go drag, pro fuel, alternate, pro mod. I mean, just this kit it's up to you, your imagination. Beautiful, beautiful chrome tree we got here. I mean, as you can see, we do have the beautiful moon hubcaps. If you wanted to go with those, we've got the regular baby moon hubcaps. I could probably make 2 or 3 custom made, scratch built, one-off wheels with just, the wheels that are provided in this kit. There's your bumpers, side pipes. There's your trophy right there. Grills, engine parts. Flip it over here. That's one grill, if you want to go with that particular grill. On the other side, you got your custom chrome steelies. Gotta love them, right? Custom chrome steelies. So you can throw them under this model or under another model. Like I said, it's really up to your imagination. One big gigantic bag of styrene goodness here. A lot of custom parts like we talked about. Looks like a cockpit, some trees, rear differential. If you wanted to put that spare tire, it comes with that. If you wanted to put that version on there. Like I said, you could build a straight up stock 1936 Ford if you chose to. Here's your hood. And we have another big gigantic bag of styrene goodness. And in here, looks like we got the frame. We've got the convertible top. So if you want to do a Roadster, you could do convertible, or you could do rag top. Got your side skirts if you wanted to go like lead sled, like, you know, really old school lead sled. And this right here is your chop top. This is your chop top, and this is your regular top. It comes with two tops in this kit. There again, you know, I'm not breaking everything out because I'm trying to cut down on time, but what you need to take away from this video is this kit is loaded with parts. Not only to build this beautiful model, but to add these parts, extra parts, to your parts bin or to future builds, which is what I'm going to do. I'm fixing to go through this kit and take all these parts and break them down into the parts bin and whatnot, and delegate them to other future builds. So what we got here is a 1936 Ford AMT instruction. This is kind of like, man, these instructions are so simple, straight to the point. You know, you got your basic engine building assemblies, or you could go custom or racing, you know, depending. There's so many ways to go, so many parts to choose from, and so many parts to add to your parts bin. Number 2, we got your chassis, wheels. Like, I've already kind of scoped the wheels out of here, but basically you got your stock wheels and you got your drag slicks if you wanted to go with the drag version. You got a dropped front spring axle cut for the custom, or if you wanted to go stock ride height. You know, just basically your interior. You can do it bare bones race straight up, or you can, you know, with the roll bar, fire extinguisher, or you could go straight up stock. Totally up to you. Got your body there. There's your rumble seat I was telling you about right here. Final assemblies. Like I say, this kit is very clear, straightforward, easy to assemble. Anything from stock, custom, or drag. All these different options to go. You can make this kit so personal, guys. Classic AMT. I got to give a big shout out to I want to say whoever was doing the remakes of these. I want to say it's round 2. Yeah, here you go. Round 2 models.com. Big shout out. On the back, bottom of the box, this right here is a big, you can pause it if you need to, guys. That's a big layout of all your parts count. Not only am I going to build one beautiful 36 Ford, with this kit. I'm going to take these parts and build many hybrids and scratch built one-off customs. And these parts are going to be showing up in a lot of other builds. So that's a quick breakdown of the AMT 36 Ford Unboxing Coupe Roadster. Build it 1 of 3 ways, stock, custom, or drag trophy series. Thank you guys. Peace, love, and happiness to all. And I hope you get this kit. If you get a chance to get your hands on this kit, grab it and build you something beautiful. All right, guys. Thank you. Over and out.